Probable CM of IPFT party.
So congratulations to everyone and congratulations to you all. Please sir, it is your time.
I have
your
never,
pleasure.
I have never cut cake in my life on political occasion. This is my first time in my life. These winning we dedicate to our Bhagwan and for greater Tipraland.
This is the color of joy, color of happiness, the colors of peace, colors of joy.
Tiprasadova! Tiprasadova! Bumagra! Bumagra!
Fine.
Okay.